Oh, there you go.
I almost got it.
You did. Okay, but you gotta throw it towards you. Okay?
Jump.
Don't throw it towards the ground, throw it towards you.
No, we're practicing.
It won't hurt you,
We're
Raylan.
practicing
Promise.
first.
Okay.
Throw it towards you. Throw it towards your shoe. Here, let me show you.
I think she's too short
I think maybe
by
it
like
is a little
2
long
feet.
for it. Okay.
Go, Nay.
Start back here. And let me show you. This is what you're doing, Ray. This is what you need to do. Towards your feet.
Go in a circle.
Do it towards your feet. I want you to practice hitting your feet. How about that?
Okay.
Okay, can you do that?
Oh my gosh, it's so big for her.
Just practice hitting your feet instead. Okay, that's better. There you go, there you go.
Now hold your head straight.
There you go, there you go. Now you can jump over it.
Now jump over it. Now when I
Get this.
go, Miss Will. Okay, now when I say jump, jump. Okay. Put it back.
Wait. Just concentrate on your feet, and then when you see it by your feet, you jump.
Ready, go. Jump.
Oh,
Almost.
you were like this close, Raylan, this close.
Go. Jump.
You're jumping
No.
too soon. You gotta wait for it. I know you're
Like when it
excited.
touches right, like when it goes.
Yeah, right, exactly right there. Almost. Ooh. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Okay.
Let's try one more time.
Oh, that was just right about close.
Why don't you lay it on the floor and teach her to jump over it first? Like have her. Like, how about me and you hold it, and then we can teach her to jump,
Okay,
like
let's
swing
do
it.
that.
Okay, bye everybody.